Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make this face and body whitening scrub. So the first thing we need is rice. Put your rice in a plate and take it to your sink and wash it very well. Rice is very good for the skin because it fades dark spots, blemishes and brightens up the complexion for a clear and smooth texture. So after washing your rice, pour it into a pot, put water to cover the rice and boil it. Parboil it half done, okay? So after doing that, you're going to transfer it into a blender just like I'm doing in the video and blend it very well, okay? So when you blend it, this is what you're going to get, and then the next thing is for you to pour it back into a plate. So it's time to add other whitening ingredients. The first ingredient you are adding is lemon. Make sure you remove the seed and scrape all the lemon and put with the shaft, okay? Lemon is very rich in vitamin C and citric acid, so it helps to brighten and lighten the skin. That is why we are adding lemon to it. So the next ingredient you are adding is baking soda. We are adding just 1 spoon of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural antiseptic with antibacterial properties. It helps to reduce bacteria that causes acne. It also helps to remove dead skin cells and soothe inflammation. So next I'm going to be adding 1.5 spoon of corn flour. Corn flour is rich in vitamin E, which helps prevent dryness and redness on the skin. It also has the ability to boost the collagen level, which helps to lighten the skin tone. And then the last ingredient you're going to be adding is honey. I'm going to be adding 2 spoons of honey. Honey has great benefits like skin brightening, hydration, and prevention of acne breakouts. It also helps in soothing irritated skin and gives a natural glow. So after adding this ingredient, you're going to mix everything together very well and apply it to both your face and body. You know that it is a body and face scrub. So apply it all over and allow it to dry. When it's dry, you notice that your face looks as if it's cracked, and then you wash it off with normal water, and that is your beautiful skin. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like this video, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel at Udeme TV.